What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to download µTorrent into your Windows computer for free into a safe method. And before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet and our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing is go to Google and type µTorrent just like this, okay? So you're gonna be into this website right here, okay? µTorrent.com. Please make sure that you have this URL on your browser because there is a lot of fake sites that try to steal your information and downloads you the wrong program. After this, you're gonna be into this website. Once again, review the URL µTorrent.com. Now we have the µTorrent web and the µTorrent classic, okay? It's up to you, the ones that you prefer. I like the µTorrent web, so go to free download, and they have a couple of options to purchase in the case that you prefer, but I like the free version, so I'm gonna download the free web torrent. Click on install. This is gonna redirect you to this page, and as you can review into the upper right corner of your screen, if you're using Firefox or Google Chrome, you're gonna download the .xnx installable process. Click on install. You need to allow, okay? So click on yes. Welcome to your µTorrent setup wizard version. Click on next to continue. By clicking agree, they assume that you have read the terms of services. Now they have an offer for you. You can accept or not. I'm gonna decline this one as well. Now we're gonna start downloading the torrent. If you allow, if you accept those offers, you're gonna be installing other programs that you may not need, okay? So pay extra attention to this step. I will not cut the video so you can see the real time that it takes and do not need to worry.